Chapter 10, Intelligent Online Instant Printing and Labeling Machine. Intelligent Online Instant Printing and Labeling Machine CF-P01. As we can see in this picture, this machine is designed to integrate printing and labeling into one, enabling instant print and apply labeling. It can be conveniently installed directly above our existing conveyor belt. The CF-P01 instant printing and labeling machine is specifically designed for applications that require immediate print and apply labeling. It uses a self-developed, nationally patented label drive structure. In addition to enabling instant print and apply as its core function, the labeling process is more stable and the labeling accuracy is higher. Labeling is more precise and efficient. The CF-P01 is equipped with an industrial-grade online thermal transfer coder, allowing online printing and labeling to be carried out simultaneously. It can print product information as required, meeting the customized label information needs of different customers. The CF-P01 is suitable for packaged bags, boxes, cartons, air columns, and other items with relatively flat surfaces. It is used in scenarios requiring product weighing, printing, and labeling, and is widely applied in industries such as food. Here, we have already printed a copy. This is the product that was printed. Now let's look at its technical specifications. Click on the specifications, 220 volts, 50/60 Hz with a power of 1 kilowatt. It uses a label application method. 4 straight glass scrapers. Labeling frequency, 0 to 70 pieces per minute. Label size specifications. The length can be from 10 to 300 millimeters. Height up to 100 millimeters. The maximum diameter for round bottles is 300 millimeters. The inner diameter of the label roll is 76 millimeters, and the label gap is 3 millimeters. Its weight is 70 kilograms. Equipment dimensions. 600 millimeters wide, 400 millimeters high. 1600 millimeters long and 1.5 meters in length. The take-up belt is 1.5 meters long. Take-up belt width. The conveyor belt width is 220 millimeters. As for the printing area, it depends on the print head. There can be 3 different printing zones. For the A4310, if it's a 32 head, it's 32 millimeters by 75 millimeters. If it's a 53 head, it's 53 millimeters by 75 millimeters. And if it's a 107 head, it's 107 millimeters by 75 millimeters. Its labeling accuracy is plus or minus. The product size is 300 millimeters in length, 2,200 millimeters in width. The height can be customized from 0 to 250 millimeters. Easy to use video. Application video, this is our machine. Remember urgently. Printing and labeling.